Hello everybody, this is Mr. Wooley, and I want to be able to help you place fractions into lowest terms. We have a quick review here today about placing these into lowest terms, and really all I have to do is take the numerator, which is the top number of a fraction, and the denominator, which is the bottom number of the fraction, and divide those both by the same number. So in this case, 7 and 14 are both divisible by 7. You have to make sure both are divisible by the same number. And then it takes me down to 1 over 2, which we call 1/2. On number 2, I have 10/12, and I see they're both even, which is nice because I know that 2 will divide into those. So divide them both by 2, it takes me down to 5/6, and that's as low as I can go with that one. Number 3, this is a situation where you can do it in multiple different ways and still get it correct. Here's just a couple ways you could get there. If you want to do it in one step, if you take 24/30, you can divide them both by 6, it takes you down to 4/5 right away. Or another possible way you could have done it is maybe you want to divide them both by 2 from the start. So 24 and 30 are both divisible by 2 because they're both even, and it takes you down to 12/15. Well, I can still divide 12 and 15 by 3, so divide them both by 3, takes me down to 4/5 just like before. So sometimes there's more than one way to do these. Number 4 is another example of that, where I have 18 over 45, and I can divide them both by 9. I can get down there in one step, take me down to 2/5. But maybe the first thing that popped into your head was, hey, those are both divisible by 3. So I can divide them both by 3, and it takes me down to 6/15. Except those are still both divisible by 3, so now I can get all the way down to 2/5. And number 5, here's one that I like. When things end in 5s and 0s, you know they'll be divisible by 5. So divide them both by 5, takes you right down to 9/10, and that's as far as you can go down. Sometimes when you get a numerator and a denominator, they're only one number away from each other, like 9 and 10 are only one number away from each other, and when you count, you'll know that's the lowest terms. You can't go any lower than that. And one more here. We have 28 over 63. You can divide both those by 7, and it takes you right down to 4/9 right away. Now what I'll have next is I have 4 different fractions here to try to place in the lowest terms. If you want to write those down, pause your video, come up with your answers, and then we'll see. Hopefully you can match them up with the correct ones in just a minute. So if you want to practice with these, pause your video for just a minute, figure out your answers, and after that we'll slide over to the correct answers. All right. A, lowest terms is 3/4. B, lowest terms is 7/8. C, lowest terms is 1/2. And D, lowest terms is 9/11. So hope this was helpful reviewing for you, and there should be a little practice assignment on Schoology for you. So good luck with that, and hopefully everything is ready to go. Good luck. Thanks.